How to install Disney Plus app on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first go to the Play Store application and on the search bar just search for Disney Plus application. Now as you can see, it says that this app is not available in Google Play in your region. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to the Chrome browser of the device and then on the search bar just search for Disney Plus download and scroll down and you can see the option of Disney Plus download with Softonic. So just tap on that and then here you can see the APK for Android. So just have a free download, tap on free download and it will be installed on your device. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.